HowExpert Guide to Self-Publishing, your complete step-by-step handbook for writing, publishing, and marketing books in the self-publishing industry. If you're ready to write, publish, and market your own book through the power of self-publishing, HowExpert Guide to Self-Publishing is your complete step-by-step roadmap. Designed for both aspiring authors and emerging publishers, this action-driven guide empowers you to take control of your publishing journey. Whether you're writing your first book, growing a catalogue, or launching a full-scale publishing brand. At the core is the 40-day self-publishing system, powered by two proven frameworks. The B.O.O.K.S framework, which breaks your journey into 5 essential phases: build, organize, optimize, keep promoting, and scale, and the self-publishing system, a 14-step structure that covers every major milestone from mindset and manuscript to launch, marketing, and long-term growth. Together, they offer a clear, actionable path to help you build momentum, stay focused, and succeed in the world of self-publishing, one day at a time. Introduction. Discover why self-publishing puts your creative future in your hands and how to start strong from day one. Part 1. B. Build your foundation. Chapter 1. S. Start your publishing journey. Understand the self-publishing landscape and where to begin. Chapter 2. E. Envision your goals and audience. Define your brand, audience, and publishing strategy. Chapter 3. L. Lay out and write your manuscript. Plan, write, and revise your book to professional standards. Chapter 4. F. Format. Your book for publishing. Prepare your manuscript for ebook, print, and cover design. Part 2. O. Organize your publishing launch. Chapter 5. P. Prepare for publication. Set up publishing accounts and finalize your metadata. Chapter 6. U. Understand legal and copyright basics. Protect your rights and understand contracts.
Chapter 7. B. Build and distribute your book. Publish your work in digital, print, and audio formats. Chapter 8. L. Launch and market. Your book. Create a strong launch plan, gain reviews, and boost visibility. Part 3. O. Optimize production and profit. Chapter 9. I. Influence through your platform. Build your author website, email list, and online presence. Chapter 10. S. Strategize your book marketing. Promote your book through content, SEO, and advertising. Chapter 11. H. Humanize the reader experience. Connect authentically with readers and build long-term fans. Part 4. K. Keep promoting and connecting. Chapter 12. I. Integrate time and workflow. Create systems to manage writing, publishing, and marketing. Chapter 13. N. Nurture your publishing growth, expand your catalog, and grow your author or publisher brand. Part 5. S. Scale and sustain your success. Chapter 14. G. Grow with innovation and technology. Leverage AI tools, publishing trends, and automation to build lasting success. Conclusion. Reflect on your 40-day journey and take your next step with confidence and purpose. Appendices. Access bonus tools, checklists, and resources to support every stage of your publishing path. HowExpert Guide to Self-Publishing is more than just a guide. It's your personal blueprint for publishing success. With a clear plan, proven systems, and expert insights, this book equips you to write, publish, and grow with purpose. If you're ready to take action, share your voice, and build your publishing legacy, this guide will help you get there, one day at a time. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.